What is this?
It's something you rock with?
I don't know. When you squeeze it, then
smell.
It starts with an S.
Sugar?
there's a sycamore tree.
Sycamore. Yeah.
So this is.
I was gonna give you that hint too.
Yeah.
But they say you can't go under the sycamore tree that itch you.
Now, something happened here about 7 years ago. I brought people here from America, and then one of them was having an asthmatic patient. So I just told her that maybe when we come to the garden, you'll be healed. So don't worry, forget about asthma. I'm surprised you're in Ghana because there are a lot of herbal medicine that you're going to get to cure asthma. And asthma is being cured in Ghana.
Is that right?
And she believed it, yes. Asthmatic, high blood pressure and all those things, it's not a problem at all. So
How do you cure high blood pressure?
we came here, and when we came here, we were just from the other side. And then I told her that she should, when the air blows, just breathe in and out, in and out, in and out. And then all of a sudden, the woman was just around this area. She started breathing in and out. She said, I'm healed, I am healed, I am healed, I am healed. And she started shouting, jumping. We thought she was getting crazy. So we had to go for her. And then she said, when she was coming, she felt something within her that looks as if how she was breathing in and smelling all these things, something has gone out of her. And up to now, it's gone.
She live here?
No, she's now in the US.
So you didn't take the leaf and
No.
push it up?
She smelled it.
She was just smelling it.
Yes, on the pills.
Yeah.
But we don't
So how do you
know.
get rid of high blood pressure?
Yeah, we use it in
High blood pressure, there's a drugs. What I mean when I say drugs, there's a medicine. And then there are labels on it, how you should take it and all those things. Yeah, but there's all these herbs that they use in producing the high blood pressure medicine. Yeah. Then there is a scientific research center that has been recommended by WHO. Okay, it's just around the corner here, and they have herbal medicine that they sell. When you go to the orthodox doctor, the medicine that is prescribed for you, it's we have some amount of chemicals in it. But here, non-chemical based, no chemical, everything, nothing. Because they have all the machines there that works on it, and then they sell those drugs.
The machines that do what?
Yeah, that takes away all the bad things that will give you sickness. That they do all those things. So it's a herbal research center, and basically herbal, nothing else. Herbal.
I would love to see that.
Yeah. Today is Saturday, they don't work, so we cannot go there.
Just around here. What relieved the blood
So it's
pressure?
place-
You say,
Yeah, we have.
he said it's like
If we all agree, and then all of us are on time, we will be able to stop at a place that you can just grant or buy some herbal medicine or
Yes,
whatever.
that's what I
It depends
want.
on all of us.
Yes.
Because if you go to a place and then someone is curious and someone passes here and do this, we will not have enough time to do this. The precious time in the world is time, and the time is running like that. Yeah. So we might not be able to do that due to our schedule right now. Yeah. If not that, when I come across any, I'll also let you know.
Have you heard of Dr. Sebi?
Every time we have sycamore tree on here.
What do you think about his
My family is
approach?
known for asthma.
I heard someone talking about it, but I've not really sat down to dilate to know what it is really. But I've heard people talking on the radio and all those things.
Yeah, they say he cured a lot of things.
Dr.
And he proved it.
Sebi.
Yeah, he proved it.
TV?
They killed him this year.
Okay, that's where it's like, is that the one we were talking yesterday?